You can collect and carry your laundry in this space-saving laundry bag. The laundry bag with the large handles is easy to carry. Folding the handles will close the magnetic top cover and create a quick drop opening, which makes it easy for laundry to be thrown into the bag. You can open up the top cover, which will create a large opening in order to take your laundry out again. The laundry bag is available in a variety of different colours and will therefore perfectly suit any room. The laundry bag has a compact rectangular format of 54 centimetres in height, is 40.5 centimetres wide and has a depth of 30 centimetres and can be folded completely flat. Yet the bag still has an impressive capacity of 55 litres. Plus, you will also receive a 2-year Brabantia guarantee with the laundry bag.